Are you a fan of military jets? Or you're just curious about military jets? On today's video, we have listed some military jets with most advanced technology in the world. US Raptor F-22. This F-22 Raptor military jet is America's fifth-generation fighter jet that relies on stealth technology to amuse its enemies before unleashing a payload of lethal missiles. The advanced tactical fighter technology in this military jet is developed after a Cold War when the US wanted to create a new super military jet that could maintain American air areas, especially in handling the threat from the Russian Su-27 and MiG-29 fighter jet. Russian BLACKJACK Tu-160M. This strategic bomber is one of the most powerful bombers that is still active to this day. Despite its size, this massive war weapon can still fly at up to 2 times the speed of sound and carry a wide variety of deadly weapons. The bomber was first used in 1987 as the Tu-160. However, in 2015, Russia signed an agreement to upgrade its existing fleet to the Tu-160M, incorporating the latest advance in military aviation technology. Chengdu G-20 China. This Chengdu G-20 is China's most seen military jet when responding to the United States stealth aircraft threat. The military jet does not have weapons for close combat, but is equipped with the power of long-range radar and missiles, which is a formidable combination that can cause major issues for the enemy in aerial combat. US F-35 Lightning II. This F-35 Lightning II was first operated in military operations in 2015. The F-35 fighter is available in 3 main model variants: F-35A, F-35B, and the F-35C. In 2019, this military jet was used for the first time to bomb targets in Iraq. A3 Awake Sentry AS. This military jet from United States is packed with 2 functions: an airborne warning and control system. Its most notable feature is the disc mounted on the fuselage. This reconnaissance and surveillance aircraft can see in any directions from the 320 kilometers to identify and classify various targets before aiming for other aircraft to attack.